has stopped the minimum tax, terming it as unconstitutional, null and void provision. Justice George Odunga says the provisions are discriminatory to companies that are making losses. However, Kenya Revenue Authority is set to challenge the decision at the Court of Appeal. And as Andrin Kilemi now reports on the tax burden, a section of MPs are now planning to challenge.
The High Court in Machakos has ruled that the government's plan to impose a minimum tax on companies, even when a company reports losses, is unconstitutional. In his ruling, Justice George Odunga said it was unfair to pull loss-making companies into the same basket.
However, the imposition of the tax will also affect those in trading loss position, and to that extent, the tax also violates the right to dignity under Article 28 of the Constitution, since it assumes that all those in tax loss position are evading taxes.
The ruling comes as a relief for companies that were wary of paying the 1% levy on total sales from the beginning of 2021, while coping with the economic fallout from the coronavirus pandemic. The ruling is, however, a blow to the government, which was looking to collect at least 21 billion shillings annually. Kenya Revenue Authority, through a letter, however, has disagreed with the High Court findings and says it will appeal the decision. Meanwhile, Dagoretti North Member of Parliament Simba Arati has called for suspension of Value-Added Tax Act to stabilize fuel prices and revision of the formula used in setting prices and tax regime.
For sure, tomorrow I'll move an adjournment motion. We discuss about that, the whole issue as a people, because we represent the people. In my constituency itself, young boys who are on border, they have no customers. My fear is that these boys will turn into crime now.
This as Kenyans further lament over the hiked fuel prices that has consequently affected the economy. In Kiambu County, residents protested the unprecedented increase, faulting members of parliament for passing the bill.
Nataka kuambia wabunge wasijifanye karuru, wanakuja hapa kutuambia mafuta imepanda, ofuji tunajua. Wao ndio waliongeza mafuta. Waende kwa bunge walireduce mafuta mpaka shilingi 100. Na kama sio hivyo, mtu akuje na kura yake ya kujichagua, sababu wananchi wa Kiambu 2.4 million hatutarudisha mbunge mwenye ako bunge na anajua tunaumia.
MPs now saying that this is the time to table the motion and amend the bill, as it is now taking a toll on the mwananchi.
Of course, when we also withdraw those bills with not unspent, we'll get into a scenario now we are at the moment. We thought the economy will have grown by 7-point-something digits. Now it has gone backward. It's actually less than 4. Therefore, it's up to us to also look into that same law. It's not cast on stone.
We make laws for a certain time, but when that laws is outgrown, we need to change.
Meanwhile, two Kenyans, Isaiah Odando and Wilson Yatta, have filed a petition challenging the recent increase in fuel prices. Andrin Kilemi, TV 47.